पुणे में पुणे मशीन टूल एक्सपो और फैक्ट्री इक्विपमेंट एक्सपो 2026 आयोजित करेगा IMTMA। भारत के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इकोसिस्टम से बड़ी भागीदारी की उम्मीद। मुंबई, 20 अगस्त 2026। इंडियन मशीन टूल मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एसोसिएशन IMTMA 7 से 10 सितंबर 2026 तक पुणे इंटरनेशनल एग्जीबिशन एंड कन्वेंशन सेंटर PIECC मोशी, पुणे में फैक्ट्री इक्विपमेंट एक्सपो FACTEQ 2026 के साथ पुणे मशीन टूल एक्सपो PMTX 2026 आयोजित करेगा। ये घोषणा आज मुंबई में आयोजित एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में की गई। PMTX एक प्रमुख B2B प्रदर्शनी है जिसमें एडवांस मशीन टूल्स, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, फैक्ट्री ऑटोमेशन और प्रिसिजन इंजीनियरिंग समाधान प्रदर्शित किए जाते हैं। FACTEQ फैक्ट्री इक्विपमेंट पर केंद्रित एक खास प्रदर्शनी है जो नई फैक्ट्रियों की ज़रूरतों और मौजूदा सुविधाओं को अपग्रेड करने की आवश्यकताओं को पूरा करने वाले उत्पादों और समाधानों पर ध्यान केंद्रित करती है। IMTMA पुणे में पुणे मशीन टूल एक्सपो PMTX और फैक्ट्री इक्विपमेंट एक्सपो FACTEQ 2026 आयोजित करेगा, जिसमें भारत के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इकोसिस्टम से बड़ी भागीदारी की उम्मीद है। 175 से ज्यादा एग्जिबिटर मशीन टूल्स, मेटल कटिंग, मेटल फार्मिंग, टूलिंग, ऑटोमेशन, रोबोटिक्स, मेट्रोलॉजी और डिजिटल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रदर्शन करेंगे। साथ ही फैक्ट्री इक्विपमेंट, मटेरियल हैंडलिंग, इंडस्ट्रियल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, एनर्जी एफिशिएंट सिस्टम और स्मार्ट फैक्ट्री सॉल्यूशंस भी दिखाए जाएंगे। ऑटोमोटिव, एरोस्पेस, जनरल और हैवी इंजीनियरिंग, कैपिटल गुड्स और कई अन्य सेक्टर से बिजनेस विजिटर्स के आने की उम्मीद है। पुणे भारत के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और इंजीनियरिंग सेंटर्स में से एक है। इस एक्सपो का मकसद मशीन टूल और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री को ऐसे समाधानों को परखने, एक्सपर्ट से बातचीत करने और मशीनों व फैक्ट्री सिस्टम्स को लाइव देखने का मौका देना है। यह एक्सपो विजिटर्स को प्रोडक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी और फैक्ट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से जुड़े समाधानों के बारे में जानने में मदद करेगा।
And global competitiveness. For many companies, this means moving from legacy production systems to modern, connected and increasingly intelligent and manufacturing technologies. And this is where Pune Machine Tool Expo 2026 becomes important. It is not merely an exhibition of machines, it is a platform for technology adoption, business transformation and industrial growth. This also connects directly with the larger vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Self-reliance is not about manufacturing in isolation. It is about building the technology, capabilities, and industrial ecosystem that enables India to manufacture competitively for India and for the world. The machine tool industry is an important enabler for that journey. We are privileged today to have with us our eminent machine tool industry leaders and IMTMA members who will take this discussion forward. It's my privilege to introduce you. We will first hear from Mr. Rajesh Mandlik, the Managing Director for Expo Spindles India Private Limited, member of IMTMA Executive Committee and past chairman for IMTMA Regional Council West, who will speak on IMTMA driving India's manufacturing growth. So giving a brief about Indian machine tool industry, what we stand for and what are our activities. This will be followed by Ms. Nisha Logo, Director Alex Machine Tools Private Limited, chairperson for UDAN and member of IMTMA Executive Committee, who will give us an overview of the global machine tool industry and the Indian machine tool industry. And finally, Mr. Kabir Bogilal, Executive Director for Bartley Boy Limited, co-chair for IMTMA Regional Council West and invitee IMTMA Exhibition Committee, will take us through the Pune Machine Tool Expo 2026 and its significance for the industry. So, with all your permission and with the Dai's permission, I will hand it over to Mr. Rajesh Mandlik to begin the press conference first presentation.
So, good morning everyone. So I would like to start this particular press conference with the introduction of IMTMA and what is this association all about and what are our activities across India. So machine tool comprises of two processes in fact. As you can see on the screen, there is a metal forming process and there is a metal cutting process. So every component, I mean if you are driving your automobile, whether it is two-wheeler or four-wheeler, so there are, just for representation we have shown a couple of pictures over there. So whatever hoods, doors of the car are manufactured by metal forming process, and all other powertrain components which are used in automobile, and this is just representation. Other than that, the components are manufactured in aerospace industries, in all other engineering industries as well. So that is known as the metal cutting operation. So for both these manufacturing processes, machine tools are required, and IMTMA represents manufacturer of both the processes, metal forming and metal cutting. Though just to share with you all, our metal cutting contribution is more compared to metal forming. Just wanted to share that the manufacturers of metal cutting, they contribute more in terms of revenue of Indian machine tool industries compared to metal forming. So IMTMA is the apex body of Indian machine tool manufacturers. We represent since 1946. So that was founded in 1946, the very city in Mumbai, in fact. But of course now our head office is in Bangalore. We have over 500 members all across India. South India, our member concentration is mainly in South India, West India and North India. We have very less members in east part of India. So as I said before, the membership include all metal cutting and metal forming manufacturer, its accessories and cutting tools which are required on these machine tools. So as you can see on the screen, the spread is all across India. But of course, west part, that is Maharashtra, Gujarat, that has the maximum number of members. In fact, over 200 members in west part of it. Then we have Bangalore, Coimbatore, Chennai, that part. So where we have around again close to 200 members, and then rest of the members are in North India. And to share our activities of IMTMA, it is not just a representation or just the members are coming together for just meeting, but we have various activities, and I think our main activities is training and skill development. And as every one of us know, that's the basic need of Indian industries, in fact. So IMTMA plays very vital role in developing our skills and other education that is required for our employees. So IMTMA at tech centers in Pune, Bangalore and Gurgaon, at all three centers we carry out different courses related to production engineering, design engineering, GD&T and various engineering aspects of our business. We are into also policy advocacy, working closely with the Government of India and various governments, state governments as well. We have different publications where we publicize our activities, where we publicize different articles related to our industries, and rest of these segments are knowing, what is happening in Indian machine tool industry through our publications. We carry out different trade fairs. Like today we have gathered together to know more about PMTX, which will be held in Pune. So Kabir is going to talk more about it. But our flagship event is of course IMTEX. Probably you might have heard of it. Usually it is held these days in Bangalore. Every year we hold it. 1 year it is for metal cutting industry and 1 year it is for metal forming industry. So IMTEX is one of the most premium industrial exhibitions of the world. It has got a extremely great footfall. Like last IMTEX, as I remember, there was a footfall of almost 130,000 people. And other than IMTEX, we have these regional machine tool exhibitions, like in Pune. Then we have Delhi. We also hold these kind of exhibitions in Ahmedabad and other industrial cities. Our Bangalore Industrial Exhibition Centers, we not only hold exhibition only for machine tool industries, but we also support other industries as well. So almost usually our calendar is booked for whole year. Various Indian industries are showcasing their products and services at Bangalore Industrial Exhibition Center, which is on the Pune road, or we can call it as a Tumkur road in Bangalore. We also have R&D, which is in tandem with our Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. with that, we have a very collaborative R&D approach for developing different products. There is another institute called IMTTF, which is Advanced Machine Tool Testing Facility, which is again located in Bangalore. So whoever are producing machines, and if they want to test their machines for its performance, they can carry out at IMTTF. And another interesting thing probably that is coming in, I think we'll have to, okay. I think you can go to the last slide of Tumkur Machine Tool Park, because I think I spoke most of the things related to this. So we are coming out with an integrated machine tool park in Tumkur. Again, this is in collaboration with Government of Karnataka. IMTMA has taken initiative. It's almost 500 acres of land. Most of the land is booked by various industries, and it will be integrated machine tool park having different services are placed in one premises. So this is another initiative of IMTMA that has come up in recent times. I think this will get completely operational in next couple of years. Some few companies have already started working there, but many companies have already booked the land in integrated machine tool park. I already spoke about skill development. Our Bangalore and Pune, in fact yesterday itself we have concluded one design institute program, which was sponsored by Nisha ma'am's company Alex Machine Tool, only for girls. I mean, the girls who have passed out engineering, or they are undergoing final year of engineering, they have completed their Design Institute program in IMTMA. So likewise we carry out Design Institute, Productivity Institute. We have so far actually trained 130,000 man days in these particular centers, 2,000 different programs, and so far 40,000 participants have completed this particular skill course, and now they are serving in the Indian machine tool industry.
Managing Director of Setco Spindles India Private Limited, and I'm also Executive Committee member of IMTMA. IMTMA also runs the regional committees, so I'm also working as a regional committee member of West. Pune Machine Tool Show, for which we have gathered here, is the flagship event of IMTMA, so that machine tool manufacturers and accessory manufacturers and other factory equipment manufacturers can showcase their products in this particular exhibition. So this will be held in Pune at Pune Industrial Exhibition Conclave, and from 7th September to 10th September.
This is all kind of a local event or foreign participation or foreign visits?
It is mainly for regional people. So mainly Western India people will visit, but of course there are the exhibitors will be from all over India. But I don't think there are any foreign. There are
like Mazak and all we take it as well.
Yeah, but now they have started in India factory. So there are very less foreign participant. But foreign participant will be always there in our main exhibition, that is IMTEX, which is in January 2027.
And is there any kind of scarcity of raw material procurement due to this geopolitical situation?
There was, but now it is slowly and steadily getting factored in. But yeah, there was a problem, but now it is slowly diminishing.
Thank you.
Yes, so I am Nisha Lobo. I'm director at Alex Machine Tools. We manufacture a full line of surface grinding machines, from reciprocating to rotary to double disc to fine grinding machines. I'm also on the executive committee of IMTMA and very happy to be here. The Pune Machine Tool Show is a great platform for us as a company. We have participated in the shows over the last few years, and what we have found is it's a great platform, like I said, to meet customers, understand what's happening in the market, interact with our colleagues, and also showcase some of the new developments that we have in our business. And to add to what Rajesh said, is while the participation is primarily domestic, it invites delegates and visitors from both domestic as well as global. So that's a very important factor. You know, India is a great place for people to invest in right now, and we continuously have visitors coming to see what's happening, what's new, what can they, who can they partner with, who can they invest in, and what can they buy.
And there are a lot of things
Yes.
like AI, robotics, manufacturing into tools industry as well.
Yes.
So how it is taking place and how it is growing.
So we cannot ignore what's happening around us. So we are continuously watchful of how can we incorporate now, you know, robotics, automation, and AI into our machines. I can just say from the past 1 week, I've interacted with 3 customers that are manufacturing components and exporting them. And every one of them are asking us for a turnkey solution, not just a machine, but turnkey solution with automatic loading, automatic unloading, automatic gauging, as well as automatic transportation of the components to the next machine. So it is very real, it is happening, and we as machine tool manufacturers have to certainly gear up to provide that solution and be able to satisfy the customer.
And how this exhibition will help a lot of skilled or unskilled manpower into coming into the industry and growing further.
So there is always a shortage and a lookout for skilled manpower in India. We cannot get enough of manpower. So in our industry and in our company specifically, we do a lot of training. So we will take unskilled manpower. If they show promise and you know, the right attitude, we will do the skilling. We will train them. IMTMA has a great training platform. So just yesterday we had a graduation of 20 females from a program, 2-month program by IMTMA. And we are looking at hiring, you know, 30 to 40% of them, so that we can bring them in, we can train them to our product, our manufacturing practices, and they can get skilled and they can grow. For those that are skilled, they are also, we cannot get enough of skilled manpower as well. With the growth in the industry, with the numbers we have seen, there are opportunities for both skilled as well as unskilled.
So just to add, IMTMA usually has the pavilion for academia as well, right, in IMTEX and probably in PMTX as well. So where there is a lots of collaborative efforts are on between different educational institutes and industry. So that's the usual practice, and in fact at IMTEX particularly we have a special day for only for students. So that's how we try to increase the availability of the employable manpower for our industry.
So overall, there is scarcity of skilled labor, you want to say. And what is the chances of job loss due to AI? Means I am going to adopt such AI.
So ours is a little, we can call it as a mother industry. So this is our understanding, we don't know, but the kind of problems that IT industry is facing because of the AI induction, I think we are relatively less damaged because of the AI, because the nature of our work is little different. It is kind of artisan kind of work. We have to work, in most of our industries, we have to work more by our hands than this thing. So AI is definitely going to come, but that will be in tandem. It will not have the job loss kind of thing in our industry.
So lastly, what will be your message to the people who wants to visit this exhibition, Expo?
So I think my name is Kabir Bhogilal. I am director from Patliboy Limited. I'm also part of the exhibition committee of IMTMA, and we also are part of the regional Southwest. So I think for message for the people for the exhibition, I think it's what we want to take away is showcasing our strengths. We want to showcase all companies, we want to showcase all skills, and we want to show that India is growing. We also want to make sure that people who are going to come into the industry find it attractive, and a lot of the youngsters out there who want to learn about this is a platform to come and learn. As Pune is, as we know, one of the biggest hubs in Western India, I think this is a great place, great location to come and be part of this fraternity and learn from us as we learn from you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.